Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, look what's just arrived. This little video we're going to be opening up these little turbos I got for the RX7. So as you guys know, I'm a Pulsar turbo dealer. I love them, basically. I love the turbos. They've been sick. I've run them for 3 years. I run them on, well, I've sold hundreds, and we're talking hundreds and hundreds of turbos. They're just doing everyone favours. They're just awesome little turbos. So first things first, we'll snip off this stuff here and we'll get into these boxes. I think I'll maybe set up this camera and we'll go from there. So packing as per usual with these, and here we have it. Here's the first one. So this here is the Pulsar G30-770. The idea of this one for the K24 is to be a major mid-range turbo. I run the G25 on the Civic and Savage response turbos, so really about the G series style because of the turbine wheel style and the compressor wheel aerodynamics. As you can see here, it comes with fittings for your coolant either side and your oil feed here, which is like a restricted oil feed. And I am obviously dual V-band because everything I own is dual V-band. And this was the 0.72 hot side. So I'll grab the camera and we'll have a look at this. So this here is the G30-770, like I say. These are generally shipped with like it's a transportation oil. It's just very slightly thicker than engine oil, so yeah, just to make sure it's all good in transit. This here is, you can use it as a vacuum output for your boost control, going to your wastegate, etc. This here is a turbo speed sensor, and yeah, she's good. As you can see, the ports here on the sides. This one here is the oil feed. I think it's a 1 mil restrictor. This one here and the one on the other side there is your coolant ports, and this one here is obviously a turbo drain. So yeah, nice, neat and compact. This obviously is the 9 blade turbine wheel as well, same as the GTX. So there's a bit of paint on that there from there. Don't tell the missus. Yeah, this is obviously the Gen 2 style G series turbine wheels. They flow awesome air, especially on these Honda engines I run them on. And look, I could probably tap that as well for like a back pressure sensor, which I'm going to be running actually on the RX7 with the new Max ECU race. It's going to have all of the data. So yeah, look at this thing. This thing's fucking, this is proper cool. Proper cool to see one actually in my hand. So as for size, you know, I've got fair big size hands, so nice and compact is exactly what I was wanting from a mid-range turbo. So in here as well, I've got some V-bands and clamps for inlet and outlet of the thing as well. Oh look, an extra restrictor. Nice. Let's have a look in here. Yep, we're all good. We're all done with that package. Now let's go into the daddy. So open here. Oh my god, that thing is huge. I'm not watching porn again. Although this is kind of car porn. So let's get this. Oh my goodness. Whew. It's compact, but it's bloody huge. Oh my god. And then here, I actually ordered some t-shirts. So here we have the big boy V-bands. And I think this is maybe a t-shirt for me actually. Let me put it on. So there's my t-shirt size here, XXXL. And as you can see, also stickers. Now check these out. These are the new Pulsar stickers. They're holographic. They look proper smart. So I'm going to have to stick a couple of them on the car. They're really cool. So yeah, if you're wanting some of these, get in touch. We'll get them sent out to you, no problem at all. And the t-shirt. So this is the t-shirt here, nice black fitted one. It's nice and elasticated sort of at the sides there, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. Let me put the camera up. I've got Pulsar turbo systems on the back. PSR. Reppin' boys. Hey. Anyway, enough of that. More in this turbo. Let's get this thing opened up. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh, what? Look at the size of that. Oh, sorry, I'm getting excited here because this thing is a monster of a turbo. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, what? This thing is next level. Jeez, check the wheel on that. Oh my god. I don't even know if my engine's going to be able to spin this, but it's so cool. I had to have it. Check the size of this beast. Oh my god. It's actually massive, like physically huge. This thing's going to take some serious bracing in my engine bay to hold the thing up, that's for sure. Oh man. And as the same as the other one, this is the G42-1200 compact. So it is actually a smaller housing than the usual because of space and stuff like that on my engine bay. But I just can't get over the size of the thing. It's huge. So this is a 3-inch exit. This is a 4-inch inlet. And the intake here, this one here is 3-inch and this one is 4-inch. So yeah, this thing is one big mama jamma. Check this out. Oh my god. Let's see. That's an absolute beast. I love it. Let's get this thing beside my head. Look at this beast. Even if I don't put it in my car, I'm just going to put it on my mantelpiece. It's an absolute monster of a thing. Oh my goodness. Like, check the size of it to my head, and I've got a big fat head. This thing just dwarfs me. So yeah, look at some of these sizes of turbos. This thing here, that's sort of similar to a TD04, okay? This thing here is the G30-770, which is obviously GTX 3076 size frame. This one here, GTX 3582, GTX 3584, and remember this is a 1000 horsepower turbo. I just keep cracking myself up with this thing. And this is a GTX 1200 horsepower turbo. This thing is an absolute unit. I mean, look. Oh my. Look at the size. Look. This thing here. 300 horsepower turbo. Look. Oh, what? I just can't get over this thing. It's an absolute monster. So guys, this video is pretty much done. It was just basically showing you these wee turbos that we're going to be sticking on the RX7. Who's just hiding over there, ready for its new forged engine and to get these things chucked on them. I can't wait to put these on the dyno just to see the difference. Obviously I'm not going for 1200 horsepower, but it's going to be like basically just chuck it on to see what it does, when it's laggy, whatever. You know, we've got a turbo for every single day of the week now. We've got one for street, we've got one for, you know, track days, we've got one for drag racing. So yeah, here I'm really happy. I'll keep up with the content, guys. Just a quick video just to show you the new toys, and yeah, as per usual, we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.